With the rising demand for hygiene products, starting a tissue or toilet paper manufacturing business can be a lucrative venture. Let's talk about the world of tissue paper processing factories in Africa. Join me as we explore the steps to launch a successful factory, from selecting the right machines to crafting effective marketing strategies. Subscribe to Invest in Africa channel to get more video like. Before diving into the details, let's understand the basics of tissue paper manufacturing. The process involves pulping, refining, pressing, drying, and winding the paper into rolls. Now, let's discuss the machines needed for each step. To begin, you'll need a pulping machine to break down raw materials like recycled paper or wood pulp into a fibrous slurry. Next, a refining machine helps achieve the desired pulp consistency. Then, a paper-making machine forms the pulp into sheets, followed by a drying machine to remove excess moisture. Lastly, a winding machine rolls the dried paper into finished products like toilet paper or tissue rolls. When selecting machines for your factory, prioritize quality, efficiency, and reliability. Consider factors like production capacity, energy efficiency, and maintenance requirements. Contact Invest in Africa from the WhatsApp number. In the description below, we will be happy to help you buy a great machine for your industrial project. Now, let's move on to packaging. The packaging of your tissue paper products plays a crucial role in attracting customers and protecting the quality of your goods. Invest in packaging machines that can efficiently wrap, seal, and label your products. Ensure your packaging materials are durable, visually appealing, and eco-friendly to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Consider offering various package sizes and designs to cater to different customer preferences. Additionally, explore innovative packaging solutions like biodegradable or recyclable materials to differentiate your brand in the market. With your manufacturing process and packaging in place, let's talk about marketing strategies to boost sales and maximize profits. In Africa's competitive market, effective marketing is essential for success. Start by identifying your target market and understanding their needs and preferences. Invest in branding efforts to create a strong and memorable identity for your tissue paper products. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, email campaigns, and e-commerce platforms to reach a broader audience and drive sales. Offer promotions, discounts, and loyalty programs to incentivize repeat purchases and foster customer loyalty. Collaborate with local retailers, supermarkets, and distributors to expand your distribution network and increase market penetration. Lastly, leverage data analytics and customer feedback to continually refine your marketing strategies and product offerings. Stay agile and adaptable to market trends and consumer preferences to maintain a competitive edge. Let's kick things off by discussing the essential steps to set up your tissue paper manufacturing operations. This includes selecting the right location, securing permits and licenses, sourcing raw materials, and setting up the production line. Choose a location with access to reliable utilities, transportation infrastructure, and a skilled workforce. Consider proximity to raw material suppliers and target markets to minimize transportation costs and streamline distribution. Next, invest in high-quality machinery for each stage of the production process, including pulping, refining, pressing, drying, and winding. Ensure your equipment is efficient, durable, and capable of meeting your production targets. Maintaining consistent product quality is paramount in the tissue paper manufacturing business. Implement robust quality control measures at every stage of the production process to ensure your products meet industry standards and customer expectations. Source quality raw materials, such as recycled paper or virgin pulp from reputable suppliers. Conduct thorough quality checks to ensure consistency and reliability in your manufacturing process. Utilize quality control tools and techniques such as statistical process control, regular inspections, and testing to identify and rectify any deviations or defects in your products. Prioritize customer feedback and continuously strive for improvement in product quality. Utilize quality control tools and techniques such as statistical process control, regular inspections, and testing to identify and rectify any deviations or defects in your products. Prioritize customer feedback and continuously strive for improvement in product quality. With your operations in place, let's shift our focus to marketing strategies to promote your tissue paper products and drive sales. Effective marketing is key to establishing your brand and attracting customers in a competitive market. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Develop a memorable brand name, logo, and packaging design that reflects the quality and values of your products. Invest in professional branding and packaging to differentiate your products from competitors. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to reach and engage with your target audience online. Develop engaging content, promotions, and interactive campaigns to build brand awareness and drive traffic to your website or retail outlets. Establish partnerships with distributors, retailers, and wholesalers to expand your distribution network and reach a wider audience. Attend trade shows, industry events, and networking opportunities to forge valuable connections and explore new market opportunities. Track and analyze key marketing metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Use this data to optimize your marketing strategies and allocate resources to the most profitable channels. Launching and growing a successful tissue paper manufacturing business in Africa requires careful planning, execution, and strategic marketing. By following these steps and staying agile in response to market dynamics, you can build a thriving business that meets the needs of customers and contributes to economic growth. Let's begin with laying the foundation for your tissue paper manufacturing business. This involves selecting the right location, procuring machinery, sourcing raw materials, and establishing your production line. Choose a strategic location with access to transportation networks, utilities, and a skilled workforce. Consider proximity to raw material suppliers and target markets to minimize costs and streamline operations. Invest in high-quality machinery for each stage of the production process, including pulping, pressing, drying, and packaging. Ensure your equipment is reliable, efficient, and capable of meeting production demands. Source raw materials such as recycled paper or virgin pulp from reputable suppliers. Conduct quality checks to ensure consistency and adherence to industry standards. Maintaining product quality is essential for building trust and loyalty with customers. Implement stringent quality control measures to monitor and improve product consistency and performance. Establish quality control checkpoints throughout the production process to detect and rectify any defects or deviations. Utilize testing equipment and procedures to ensure compliance with regulatory standards and customer expectations. Once your operations are in place, it's time to focus on promoting your products and expanding your market reach. Effective marketing is key to attracting customers and driving sales. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan that incorporates both traditional and digital marketing tactics. Leverage social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to raise brand awareness and engage with your target audience. Invest in professional branding and packaging to differentiate your products and attract customers' attention on store shelves. Develop a compelling brand story and value proposition to connect with consumers on an emotional level. Establish partnerships with distributors, retailers, and wholesalers to expand your distribution network and reach new customers. Attend trade shows, industry events, and networking opportunities to showcase your products and forge valuable business relationships. Monitor and analyze marketing metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback to assess the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Use this data to refine your strategies and optimize your marketing budget for maximum ROI. Launching a successful tissue paper manufacturing business requires a combination of strategic planning, operational excellence, and effective marketing. By following these steps and staying focused on delivering quality products and exceptional customer service, you can build a thriving business that stands the test of time. Launching and growing a successful tissue paper manufacturing business in Africa requires careful planning, execution, and strategic marketing. By following these steps and staying agile in response to market dynamics, you can build a thriving business that meets the needs of customers and contributes to economic growth. Thank you for joining me on this entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more business insights and inspiration. Remember, with dedication and innovation, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to contact me for machine purchases. Until next time, happy entrepreneurs.